I'm going to show how to install heel savers on a pair of Western boots. Heel savers are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your boot heels from wearing down. They can add months, sometimes years, to the life of your boots. The best scenario is to have the heel saver installed before the sole suffers too much wear. These are the heel savers I purchased online. They are tough, inexpensive, come with nails, and are very easy to cut apart with a pair of scissors. Each one will be secured with 4 nails using a hammer. I will be using my great-grandfather's cobbler hammer for this task. Here are a pair of boots that have a significant amount of wear in the heels. As you can see, the rubber sole is wearing down. If the wear continued onto the wood part of the heel, the repair could be pricey. I will eventually have these resoled, but in the meantime, I will install heel savers to extend their life. To begin, I recommend making a cobbler stand. Accomplish this by nailing 2 scrap 2x4s together, forming a T. Pad the top of the post in order to add a layer of protection. I found that a can koozie works well for this. Next, slide the boot onto the stand in this manner. Then, assess the worn area and locate the thinnest spot on the sole. Make a mark at that spot using a permanent marker. Next, check for fit and adjust for the best match on curvature to the heel. Note, the midline doesn't necessarily have to be perfect to the mark, but it should be in proximity. Once satisfied with fit, clean the area of any dirt and debris. When dry, you can redo the mark if you desire. Next, select a trimmed heel saver and 4 nails. Drill pilot holes in the designated nail locations. Choose a bit size that's a little smaller than the shank of the nails. Use the base of the stand as a work surface for drilling each hole. These holes will make inserting and holding the nails a lot easier when it comes time for installation. Next, return the heel saver to its pre-planned orientation. Then, insert the nails and secure using the hammer. Continue on, driving each nail until they are snug. They don't need to be buried deep, just tight enough so the saver doesn't move. Next, repeat this process with the other boot. Once finished, your Western boots will have a solid edge protecting the heel. The result is less wear, better traction, and a lot more life out of your boots.